What's in the box? Get familiar with Virtuo Vivo hardware setup. Learn how to install Virtuo Vivo. The laptop is located under Virtuo Vivo box. You will find the laptop power supply in the pockets on the side of the box. Sharp adjust to recalibrate the handpiece. Three sleeves, including sleeve on handpiece. Plastic cover caps for handpiece, to protect the cameras when there's no sleeve on the handpiece. Integrity check tool to confirm the handpiece is working properly. Sharp adjust power cable and adapter. Virtuo Vivo handpiece. Pod power cable. Pod to laptop connecting cable. Pod station. Connect the laptop power supply. Note that it won't be possible to scan if the laptop is not connected. Connect the pod power supply. Then the pod to laptop connecting cable. Note that the connector is blue inside. Make sure to not use the cable with the white connector, pod cable. Connect the pod cable to a USB port of the laptop. Finally, connect Virtuo Vivo handpiece to the pod station. Virtuo Vivo is now ready to use.